Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So this is the frontal that I'm going to be using to construct the frontal wigs for today's video. So the frontal costs $50 at the beauty supply store. I just needed something to practice. So what I did was I lined the back of the frontal up, and I just used my little T-pins to pin it in 3 places. And then I'm going to start in the middle and sew down. Now I'm going to sew one side down, then sew the other side down. That just gives you like a little more control over what you're doing and your stitches. So once you get down to the sides, you're just going to sew it straight down. You're not going to stretch it back. A lot of people stretch it back. Like, that's what you're not going to do. You see how I just kind of pulled it back? You're not going to do that. You're just going to keep going straight down until you get to the end of your wig cap. And I'm not sewing through the actual elastic. I'm just sewing through like the fabric, because if you sew through the band, like, it's not going to be stretchy. And I need all the stretch that I can get. So yeah, once you get to the end, you just gonna knot it off and then sew the other side down. Okay, so now we're just gonna add like the bundles to the back. I don't know what kind of hair this is, y'all. I made this wig, well, the back pieces are like recycled pieces that I use in other wigs that I either took apart or something. But yeah, I'm just gonna add it to the back of this wig, and I'm just gonna sew it like I normally do. I'm gonna use the flip over method. And I'm just gonna flip it, use my thumb to press it down so that it's flat, and then I'm gonna stitch it down flat. I hope that makes some type of sense. But yeah. So this is how it's looking at the top. As you can see, I'm going in a U shape, and I don't want this bob or whatever to be thick, so I'm gonna spread my tracks out like just a little bit, just so it's like a little thinner than normal but not too thin. But anyways, what I do is just sew until I get to the frontal, and then once I get to the frontal, I'm flipping the track over and then just continue to sew. So once I get to the top, it's looking like this, and I'm just going to use 2 tracks to just lay right across this little area just to fill it in. So then you just fill in, whatever space you have left. But yeah, that's all for the sewing. So then I'm just gonna take the wig cap off of the mannequin and cut this little under, I don't know what to call it, but this little extra fabric, I'm just gonna cut it off, and try not to cut the lace, being very careful. So this is how it turned out. I do not recommend this frontal. I had to do a lot to make it look natural. I bleached it twice, bleached the knots twice. If you want to see how I apply this wig and, get the lace laying and everything, I will post that video below. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And thank you for watching.